What's up, James here, and today I'll be showing you my Lego car. See, if you watch my other video before, you would have seen this. But see, the windows are very different. You can lift up the trunk. See inside there's nothing really. The lights you can move up and down. The door able to be open, close. Same with the other one. Now you cannot sit somebody in here because it's just too tiny. The trunk does not open, if you're wondering. But the lights at the back, they move around. See? Now it did take me and my sister like an hour to put that car. So yeah. Now, I'm just going to be saying some words for 13 subs. I am so happy. Thank you, all of you. I am so happy. Now, one thing we all need to settle down for is my friend Icy Cake. For life, her pet rabbit died. So yeah, I forget what was the cause. I don't think I was told. I forget. But we'll just have a moment for Icy Cake. For life. Okay, now, so Christmas, 16 more days. I want you to write in the comment what you're getting for Christmas. And I will be making videos about comments. Now, I do not have a phone, so I need to get another device. So, yeah, please make comments like that. But the next video will be my Lego Police City, and yeah, stay tuned and